This is History of Numbers. I'm Rakel.
And I'm Helga.
Yeah. We found a story, interesting story that explains the ninth table rule, and then you have another ninth table here where you put your finger down and 118. The tugur and the tugur. Sorry.
Yes. Nästa.
Oh, oops, I'm not ready.
Zero was discovered and it was used as an accessory, but later on it was used to rule whether the number was 1, 10 or 100.
Yeah.
Segðu bara sem stendur á.
Á ég bara að lesa af þessu?
Segðu bara sem stendur á. Nú fá það að heyra íslensku framöndir. Þeir fá að heyra íslensku.
No one talked about 0 as a number because it doesn't follow the same rules as the other numbers. It is...
Textu er af textan.
doesn't...
Textu bara af textan.
It is a multiplicative identity, e.g. when you multiply any number with 1, you get the number you multiply with. Like 1 multiplied by 10, you get 10.
Okay. When was 0 first accepted as number and why? 0 was first accepted as a number about 1,000 years ago. It was accepted because the algebra needed negative numbers and 0 needed to be the average between 1 and 1.
Negative numbers came before fractions.
The first proved irrational number was the square root of 2.
The purpose of the purpose of accepting the root of -1 was so because it is not possible to take a root of a negative number. It was done in the XX century by Cardan and Rafael Bombelli.
Er þetta ekki...
What are the relations between the sets of numbers? The relations between the sets of numbers are natural numbers, integer numbers, rational, irrational, real and complex. Other sets have that in common to be all real numbers. Nearly any number you think of is a real number.
Different sets of numbers. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. Odd numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Both these sets are subset in n. There is always one number in between the even numbers and the odd numbers.
The way of use of appropriate thoughts. On these power of and roots, multiplication and division, addition and subtract.
Addition and subtract.
Yeah.
Recognition of different types of numbers. Counting numbers, measuring numbers, irrational numbers, imaginary numbers, and complex numbers, which are all subsets in these sets.
Actions between numbers.
This is the same number, 36, against 6, 6, 1, and fraction 6.0. This is the same as 6 and 6, 1.
Nei.
Thank you, bye bye!
Ég held að
Þetta var hræðilegt.